Okay, Barry, welcome to your lesson today. We basically looked at moving off and stopping last lesson.
Yeah.
And you asked me to proceed on to some left turns today.
That's fine.
But are you still happy to do that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so let's just briefly run through a couple of things from last lesson then. What routine did you use when you were, say, parking? What was the routine?
Was it the MSM?
MSM routine, good. And what did that stand for?
It's a mirror signal manoeuvre.
Okay, good, excellent. And what was your road position that you took up for moving off?
I've tried to be about a metre from the curb.
Excellent, great. So we'll use all that on today's left turns.
Okay,
yeah.
right.
Now, what I want to do is to, well, would you like to have a go at those left turns? Would you like me to explain it to you first with diagrams? Or how would you like to play
I
it?
think probably to explain it first.
Oh, okay. All right. So, have you come across mind maps before?
I've heard about it, yeah.
Okay. You've used them, have you?
I haven't. I had a little go, but I
Yeah.
don't really know.
Okay.
I'm not fully into
Okay.
it.
Well, what we'll do is it's basically just building up a picture of these left turns. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if
Okay.
I just show you here. So let's say we take a left turn. I'll put that in here. Left turn. Okay. So first of all, if you're coming up to a left turn, imagine you're approaching in third gear, quite away from the junction. We're turning into a side road.
Yeah.
What sort of things will you need to do to spot the junction? What sort of things are you looking for?
Looking out for maybe there might be a sign.
Okay, so
Road
sign. Okay. Okay, what else did you say? Road sign?
Road
is
sign,
anything?
yeah.
What's a road sign might you get?
I suppose just as one of those with the this triangle with the
triangle.
showing the road coming off.
Triangle, good. So road coming off. Okay. Okay, what sort of markings do you get on the road itself?
It's got the white lines on it.
The white lines, yeah, good. White lines, excellent. Okay, so once you've spotted where you're going to make your turn, what sort of checks will you need to make, do you think?
Is this where I have to do the mirrors again?
Excellent, yeah. Okay, so mirrors. Okay, so tell me, on the mirrors, what are you going to be looking for on the mirrors?
Is it looking for what cars might be behind?
Cars. So is it just cars or
Maybe cyclists as well?
cyclists? Okay. So once you've checked behind, how will you let people know what your actions are going to be?
So I have to signal.
Signal. Okay. So just remind me how you're going to signal. What signal?
So just on the indicator, so it's down.
So you're using indicator. You're using it down. Okay. And what sort of distance away from the?
So it has to be far enough back to warn people.
Yeah.
I think it was so many car lengths. Was it? Can't remember exactly how many car lengths
Yeah,
away.
roughly as a guideline, 6 to 8 car lengths. Yeah, this is for sort of estates like this, so 6 to 8 car lengths. So you've checked your mirrors, you've assessed what's going on around you. You've now let people know that you want to turn left. What do you think you're going to do with your road position?
So if I'm going left, is it a bit like when we drive along, normally just driving about a metre away?
Good, so that's your road position away from the curb, so metre. Excellent. Okay, why do you think you need that metre?
Is it if when you turn that you don't bump into the curb?
Yeah, you don't want to bump into the curb, yeah? Okay, good, but if you're wide, what effect could that have?
Would it maybe get
So
into
wide.
the way of other traffic?
Excellent, you're going to get it, yeah? So conflict, yeah, excellent. Okay, so tell me then, if you think about it, turning into the junction, tell me a little bit about your speed. What do you think you're going to have to do with the speed there?
Probably have to be quite slow.
Okay, so slow. Would you have any ideas what sort of speed you might get down to?
About 10 or 15 miles an hour.
Yeah, it'd be about 8 to 10 roughly, 8 to 10 miles an hour, yeah? Okay. Okay, so far we've discussed there. What's this bit here?
So that was the looking for the cars and the cyclists
Behind.
and things.
And where were you going to look?
Through the mirrors.
Yeah, then you're going to let people know.
Yeah, so signal.
Signal. After the signal, we discussed the position, yeah?
Yeah.
So what did we need to consider there?
So we kept about a metre from the curb.
Good, excellent. And then we said speed,
Yeah, just slow it down to like 10 or just less
slow
than 10.
jogging speed if you want. And then you've got to make sure it's safe to make your turn. So where do you think you're going to look?
So are you looking into the road that
So
we're going into?
Into road. Yeah.
Making sure there's nothing in the way.
Yeah, good. Can you tell me what sort of things you're looking for?
Park cars.
Parked cars. Yeah.
And I think sometimes people might be crossing.
Okay, pedestrians, excellent. If they are crossing, what will you need to do?
Perhaps to be ready to stop.
Excellent, excellent. So we've done the mirrors, signal, position, we've slowed the car down, speed, and then looked into the junction. Then if it's safe, we're going to make our turn. So tell me a little bit about your steering. How much do you think you're going to have to steer?
Well, I'm not sure really, so it'd be quite a bit, I would think.
Quite a bit, because you've got to take a right angle turn more
Yeah.
or less, haven't you?
Mm.
So roughly it'll be 3/4 to a full turn.
Right.
Can give you guidance on that then,
Okay.
yeah? Okay. And once you've steered around, what are you going to do with your steering then?
You'll have to bring it back again afterwards.
Excellent, excellent, yeah. So that's the mind map. Would you like to try this out now?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
that would be good.
Would you like me to talk you through? Would you like me to prompt you through? How would you like to play this?
I think perhaps talk me through first time.
Okay, no problem. So I'll take the responsibility initially,
Mm-hmm.
and then as time goes on, I'll give you the responsibility.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, we'll have a go.
Great.